Hi guys, this is Umu and welcome back to Kadi Recipes. In this video I'm going to show you a famous Guinean recipe called konköye in Guinea. It's like smoked fish soup that you can serve with rice or anything you like. So this is the recipe we are going to see today how to make. So stay tuned for this video, but before you start, please give me a thumbs up now and then let's get started. So I'm going to add red palm oil. If you can't get some palm oil, you can use vegetable oil. So I'm going to add my garlic. I have here 4 garlic. So I'm going to add 2 onions. So I'm going to mash my tomatoes. So I'm going to add my homemade seasoning. You can add anything you like. You can add any bouillon cube if you like bouillon cube. So I'm going to add my tomatoes. And then I'm going to add also my tomato paste. So I'm going to add a little bit of water on my tomato paste to help it cook really well. So I'm going to add my vegetables. I will add my cassava first because it takes more time to cook. So I'm going to add some green onions. Fish ready. So I'm going to remove all the part that we are not going to eat. So I'm going to add my smoked fish. So I'm going to cover with water. So I'm going to add the remaining vegetables. So I'm going to add my potatoes. So I'm going to add my garden egg. These are delicious African eggplants. So this is optional, but I love to add some okras. I'm going to add hot peppers. You can add your favorite peppers. If you like pepper too much, you can add too much, but I'm just going to add like this. I'm going to add some salt to taste. You can add more if you like. You can add some cubes if you like cubes, but for me, this is fine. So this is fresh basil leaf. I love to add them in my soup. So I'm going to add them like this, and then maybe I will remove it at the end.